Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Basura match. Look, the Christmas lights outside. Starting again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Two people. No people watching. Mr. Septic. Hey, you have some strong muscles. Yes, I have strong muscles. Where are you from, Mr. Septic? Septic? Why septic? Thank you so much for people here. Thank you so much for a million here on apps. Sure muscle roll out your sleeps. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. Ah, yeah, wow. Shout out to you, Mr. Something from Canada. How old are you? Septic. Mr. Septic. Why septic? What about the story behind? Oh, 24. Wow. 24 is still too young. Too young. Starting all over again. Me? I'm 40 years old. 40. Okay, night. Guys. Thank you for the likes. You don't look 40. Really? What I look like? But I'm 40 years old. Laura. Here we go, Dad. I love you. Why you love me? Here we go, Dad. Why you so low? Well, you honestly look younger. Really? Thank you, Mr. Septing. Septing. Septic. Tech. Especially with the mess. With the messes. Earn money. Thank you for 3 million watching here. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Hola, mi amor. Te quiero hacer el amor. Hi. Nicole Mendoza. Gabriel. Thank you, 5 people watching. Thank you so much. I know that is real. Thank you for the 7 people watching here. Hi, Nithil. Hello. Thank you for watching here again. Sabi ko ba guys sa imo gab, mag-ano kay naka-live ako. Impahudam ko na nga niyan sa imo, bali ibalik ko ang ulit yun ha. Thank you for the 10 people. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Starting all over again. Ano ba yun? Naiinit na gud ako sa imo. Baguyag ka nag-iirog ka soon. Walagas mo na yun oh. Abo ko siya nag-ano ka, nag-iirog ka sa irog ka sa nag-iirog ka soon. Nagtuturog ka na. Nagigigil na ako sa imo ha. Delete ko na lugod yun. Nauyag mo. Sabi ko diri ka mag-ano na naka-charge. Mapikon nga na ako sa imo. Prokpokong ko lugod yun. Mag-rebook ka pa. Sabi ka na diri ka mag-rebook.
Hindi ako.
Ngayada din. Kaya nagka-aral ng rolos bing na yan. Diyo. Nainigdaan. Buklada na yun. Kaya para biyo man yun na pag ano-ano mo. Aris guapa. 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 Thank you for the 10 people watching. Oh, okay. Thank you so much for the 10 people. Cajas de la ropa. Not what it means. Nicole. Elton. Olalinda to the dam. Elton, thank you so much. Thank you, 6 people watching. Oh, this is Tacoma. What it means?
Oh, yeah.
Ako sabihan ko. Wait. Ano ba yun, Gab? Jason Pilapil. Hi, ate. Ako pala si Jason Pilapil, ang nag-iisang vlogger sa Carita Cemetery sa Cebu. Hi, Jason Pilapil from Cebu. Thank you so much. Vlogger ng Cebu. Taga Cebu. Shout out to you. Commanded. Magandang gabi po, madam. Parang kahapon lang, English speaking ka nga. Ngayon, Tagalog ka na. Commandant Samson. Why? Are you a Filipino? Are you Akil Horace? Alamor, mi amor. Mi amor. You fill out the marriage paperwork, so the paperwork will be ready for the embassy. Shut up. Soy Alfredo El Nombre de Alfredo Rafael Mendoza. To me, gustas me encantas. What it means? I don't know what it means. Paper, DP, at Red Ribbon. Red Ribbon and Galda Lights. Hola, mi gustas mucho. Rinaldo Moreno. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 22 people joining here. Jackson Martinez. Do you like my my lawyer? If I remember correctly, it's 1,500 or 3,000 pesos. Huh? 1,500 or 3,000 pesos. For what?
What is that? What is that? What do you mean, Commandant Samson? Samson. Te quiero mucho, te mando. What it means? Oh my god, can you speak English? Dun, ta-da. Jackson Martinez. Why you? I like Milo. I like. Here. Have a Milo. 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 Beef Birdie if you are Robin Red. Robin Red. I love that. The paperwork. I don't I don't know what the cost. Ang halo-halo. The cost of paperwork. I don't know how much the cost. Oh, now I get it. How you have such big muscles? It's because of that's why you're big. Gabriel. Tigres. My ex used to prepare it. It what memories. Okay. That's great. Thank you for the 28 people here. Thank you so much. Hi, Cheta Michola. Hi, Cheta Michola. Como te llamas? Como te llamas? What do you mean? Hi, Cheryl. Oh my god, John. Welcome back, John. Stop. Mark Budge. Mark Budge. Nice to see you. Thank you, John. Thank you for joining here again. Means what's your name? My name is Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Hi, Cheryl. Yes, my name is Cheryl. Uh, can we get one more muscles flex? One more muscle. One more muscle. I can. I can. I can. There you go. Best. I'm taking Cheryl with me so she can come spend the holiday in France to enrich her memories. Huh? Oh, wow. Thank you, John. My Hi, everyone's flirting with you, huh? Wow. Wow. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Desired, desired as the seasoning adobo. Do you like to wear mine skirt and white top? White top. Mine shirt and white top. I don't know. It depends. What? No. What it means, Nicole Mendoza. The heartbreaker. Who's the heartbreaker? Duh. Of course, not me. He says inappropriate things. Ah, okay. Do you have any now? No. No. Why? I have, but I'm not comfortable to wear it now because of like Ciao, te quiero mucho. His heart is occupied with his children. Yeah, Katie Carol. Lol, mahal kita. Lol. Da. Yeah. Do you have a timeline? Are your arms too colored? Huh? It's very hot and stormy in Siargao. Is that right there? No, I'm not living in Siargao. I'm living here in Bicol province, Philippines. What it means, Nicole Mendoza. Going to bed now, darling. Good night, muscles. Good night, John. Thank you, John, for joining here. Quizzy people here. Quizzy people here. Jackson. Where are you from, Jackson? Why do you why do you want me to say it in French to them? Huh? Why do you want me to say it in French to them? Huh? Roll up your sleeves. Oh, I'm always do that. You miss it. Que me gustas mucho. The weather is bad here in Siargao. Ah, really? Not enjoy? Have you ever left the country? Have you ever left the country? Huh? Left the country? I no, I never, I not, never, ever. Really, yes, I'm not. Yeah, really, seriously. I want if I'm going to another country, I want to go to Switzerland. It's a beautiful landscape there. I love nature. I'm a nature lover. The landscape, the place, I love. And not the Philippines either, yeah. Yes. Even in Siargao or other place here in the Philippines, I'm not yet visit because of expensive travel. Expensive here in Siargao. I hit. Yes, same here. Same here. Expensive cost of living. Why are they so corrupt here? What's going on? Ah, yes, here the politics. Ah, yes, a lot, so much. They're very disappointed here in the Philippines about the economy here. Is so sad. Beautiful country, but the government system here is not good. Madam, oh my God, Nicole, stop. Can you behave? Ah, Nicole. Oh my God, Nicole, calm down. You know what? I don't like that here in my channel. In my, you need mud. Yeah, I need mud to remove that. Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you for 6 people. Thank you. Thank you, 18 million here. Are you Jackson? Where are you from? Are you foreigner here in the Philippines? Are you just visiting here or just a tourist here in the Philippines? Or going here because you have a Filipina girlfriend here? That that's why you're here. I'm Latino, but I'm here. Where? Gabriel. Just visiting here in the Philippines. Forest. Siargao, yeah. Visiting in forest. Jackson, how old are you? I am Colombian. Ah, okay. You don't know, right? I'm 26 years old. Ah, still young. Has collagen. Collagen. You're too young for her. She is 40. Um, I'm 40 years old, Jackson. I'm almost. It's fine, just enjoy your life, Jackson. And yes, really, I'm 40 years old. It's not almost 30. I'm 40 years old. So next year, 2026, I'm turning 41. You have no wrinkles or gray hair. Wow. Wrinkles? I have wrinkles. Look, my face. I'm getting old. I are gray hair. Oh yeah, because 40 is not, it's not like older. It's just old, but not old. Old, too old. 4 years and I'm 30. I'm going to have a crisis. Chill, just chill, relax. Just enjoy your life. No need to stress yourself because you have, yeah. What is your height? 5 flat. When you're 30, she will be almost 45. Thank you for 22 people. Thank you so much. Eat likes. Thank you. Thank you for joining here. Mm. I have 3 children. Really? You have 3 children? Are you married? Wow, that's great. Buklada na yung Gab.
Po.
Guapa Cheryl. Hi, Ryan. Thank you for joining here again by 3 different women. Do you have children, Jackie? By 3 different women. Thank you for the likes. Don't worry about me. This is not this is not my channel. Jackson maintenance. Thank you for the likes. You. Thank you, 10 million here. Jackson Martinez, do you make a blog? Cheryl, do you have a tree? No, no tree. I have no tree, just one. No tree, just one. Mm. Your profile picture looks like you go to get girls pregnant and leave them. Your wallet won't be in trouble with one. Have you ever been to Tagaytay or Baguio, Boracay or Palawan? No, not ever been there. Oh yes, how I wish I'm going to Baguio, Tagaytay, Palawan, Boracay. Oh my God, I want to go there, but when I save enough money, I'm going there. I'm a bit of a womanizer. I won't deny it. I'm a bit. Oh really? You are a womanizer? I won't deny it. Well, you're a very honest person. That's great. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Yes, you gotta go. What? What? Ano na yung gab? Kuryente ka niya. Agdan na, di rin nagluluway. Tama na mo na yan, i-charge mo na. Tama na mo na ang paggamit. I-charge mo na. O, ayos na yun. No? Ngayon na yun. No? Ayos na mo na yun. Well, this is fun, girl. You will never... Huh? Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing today? Hi, good evening, guys. Thank you for joining here again. I'm have a good evening. How are you guys? I don't want anything from anyone. Just to talk chill. Don't be jealous. I'm not competing with anyone. Thank you, Jackson. No need to be competing anyone. Just be yourself. Something like that. This guy who wants to see your muscles is really wanting you to lie for your arms so he can look at your brain. Impossible to look my best. It's a very look. It's not possible. Forever. Sure, you just don't get it. Forever Ferdinand Villamor. Hi, Ferdinand Villamor. Hello. Buklada na gab. Sabi ko baga buklada na.
Ito ka na bagpapan.
Yeah.
Nanong hindi ko mahudaman. Hindi.
Mamaya.
O doon na lugod.
O naman na nakadiri ka pa man magamit.
Kuha mo na lang doon na.
Thank you for 12 likes. Thank you so much. It's been 6. Today is Cheryl, are you usually available at this time? Why? Got it. I'm subscribing. Thank you for subscribing my channel, Jackson Martinez. Thank you so much. And thank you for the likes. I'm just a gossip. 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 Gossip? Gossip. Gossip. Oh. She is unusually doing live this time. Oh, ibig sabihin, chismis. Sorry. Hi, Jerry. Chismis pala yung gossip. Marites. Thanks, Jackie. Any plans for Christmas yet? No, I don't know what the plans because too many plans, but can't can't do it. Good evening, Cheryl. Always nice to see you. Wishing you the best. Always. Thank you, Stephen Martin. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you, 13 people. Thank you so much. She's doing live at this time, waiting for me too. Ah, my gulay, Jerry. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Sometimes I take my whole life through. Nailagay mo na ba yung Christmas tree? No Christmas tree. No space for the home and can't buy Christmas tree. Yes. No Christmas tree. I wish I buy a Christmas tree. Oh my god. Hi, Lakshi Katanash. O talaga, yes. Yeah. The Santa comes to the Philippines. But, your country. Kasi, kasi, so anong dahilan? Simple lang ang dahilan. Walang pambili, walang sapat na pambili, walang budget. Yun yung dahilan. Kasi kung may budget, bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? Ganon. Mahirap lang tayo. Jackie, do you speak Tagalog? He's not speaking Tagalog. English, please. I'm nosy. Nosy. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh, who doesn't? I ask why he doesn't celebrate. No, we celebrate Christmas here. We celebrate Christmas here. I thought you're asking why no Christmas here. We celebrate Christmas, but not even that we're not Christmas tree. That's the no. Thank you for the likes, 15 people. Thank you so much. The the Grinch stole Christmas. The Grinch. Well, Santa Claus come with present. Presents. Santa Claus is coming to town. Da, 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 da. Yes. Jill, we're not you a moderator. I confuse you. Once, but Tim spanked me. Spank you? Who is them? Who's the Grinch? What Grinch means? What Grinch? Joel Gracilan. Hi, Joel Gracilan. Hello. I see it now. I'm ro- ruining Christmas. Ah, the Grinch. What Grinch means? Can you explain it, Grinch? I can see it now. I can see it now. I'm ruining Christmas. What? Um, a person who doesn't have Christmas spirit. Ah, okay. Known someone na. Sonny boy. Divinely divine. Hi, Divinely divine. Known someone na. Who ruin hate Christmas? I don't know. I love Christmas. Love Christmas. Love you. Why you love me? I'm encyclopedia. Okay. Why you love me? Gum broad. Why you say that? Why so easy to say that? Even without the person, the people. But doesn't your husband get jealous? Do I have a husband? I'm not married. Haha. Oh, what? Her future husband gets jealous. Sherry. Why? Ferdinand Bellimore, but you've never been married. Yeah, never been married. Never. But I think thank you for the likes. 10 likes. Did you only one child without getting without getting married? Only one kids. Oh. Doon matulog si Bem. Zuman, Barbarong Tagalog. Yeah. Here. Yep. I love the culture. Yes. I love the culture here. Different. Thank you for 15 likes. Thank you so much. But yes. See me too. But the politician. Same here. I don't like politics here. Too much corrupt. Too much. Pa.
Ano kita sa aga? O, balik ka.
Dos. Nakalive ako.
Ay, nakalit ka.
Oo, nano.
Hi.
My sister.
Hi.
Hi, Jory. Remember my sister? Nano.
Nag-send ka na lang sa ako. Nag-send na ako niyan lang.
Ano yun?
Awato na ako makarecord ka na. Makarecord ka di. Para ako maisip.
Ako nga rin, isip ko kagabi, tahimik. Pero ako nakaano,
Oo nga.
nag-edit na ako.
Naturog kaya baga ako didiho.
Maang.
Tapos naturog ako pag kangawalit ka sa manok. Tapos pag mata ko, may himong baga ako kagabi. Naguyong ka pa ako kay. Nagko-computer ako, naguyong ka ako. Tapos nalimutan ko. Tapos may meeting baga ako kaya. Hindi ko na
Mawan ako.
makarecord.
Limit na.
Tapos di ka man nagatid sa meeting kanina?
May pabasa kami.
Ayun, may
Na meeting.
ano.
Business party.
Oo, may Christmas
Sabi
party.
nga ni Ma'am Glinda, ba't isabay kami?
Sabi nga ni kami ito, maburot pa kami dito sa baso.
Sige ma'am, ganun ko.
Tapos may minuman ka mo. Kay kami, may mga, by group an minu nato.
Sige, bye.
Kay kami, ang nabunot na mo, dinuguan. Kaya ang minu na lang nato, igado, dinuguan, tapos kalderita. Ang nabunot ni Rad sa grupo ni Jennifer, kalderita. Ang nabunot sa grupo ni Merlita, igado. Kami ang nabunot, may dinuguan. Tapos kamo, ada sa'yo, dessert. Dessert. Tapos juice. Sa Reglinda, lumpia niyan sin.
Kaya isa iba man kami na grupo.
Dili, by group.
Kaya nga ni.
O, in grupo man.
Ay, andere bin
sa pagkaon, oo. Can be sa bulod, tulo na grupo. Sira kadilita, luto. Tapos, ang gusto ni Kapitan, ang BHWB, intiro kita ha. Kasarabin doon ang BHWB is dili. Kapag irugson, sarabay na kita ng mga ha. Tapos iupadan ang tanon. Sa ko, di daw, mamoy nung yun. Maski may numong kita, iba manggap may mga lakya.
Mapod man sira ka.
Di ka man ako nagtugo. Kami.
Barangay council diri man.
Sabi, imbitado. Pero, maparty ko na ang barangay council. Orokod kita. Sabi ko, okay lang. Basta wala kami gasto. May party man ang barangay council. Orokod na. Binis, bits. Basta di ka. Worker. Tanod. Kaya gusto man adaan dito. Basta sabi ko, sa amo na. Binis, bits. Sabi ko, di ka worker. Basta kirita ng mga girls. Di na may upod ang tanod. Kaya gusto pang-idyo niya ang tanod. Buko man. Kay, pag di pa nagbabatog, hurumog na yun. Sabi ko, di pa nagbabatog, nag-inom na yun. Okay lang kayo mag-inom, kaya di man kami mga ano baga kita. Tapos, sabi na mo, i-reserve tayo auditorium.
Ano kayo nung gaha?
Sa kaya, di tayo ipagsabi sa partisan, Zumba. 20.
Saan ang sumba?
Badi man balitin kita. Basta pizza 20. Di natin ipagsabi kayo para.
Sabihan na lang nato sa sumba na diri sa 20 yan.
Oo. Pwede kita mag-20. Parang erog siya. Basta pizza 20 kita dito. Tapos makitan nila tayo. Tapos maamborntan, ito, dito, sa baso, pinot siya to ni Elsa, sabi, basi magdaya ka ha, tukal-tukal ka. Sabi, di putos na ini. Siyempre, burunutan sa distance ko. Tapos mayat po kami. Tapos, hindi ko masabi sa GC na. Problema ko sa sabi ko, sa budget baga namin. Kung masabi kayo, may mga bisabolo na yung screenshot, yung dadara sa kapitan. Imalay ko kung ang kapitan masumat kang bihira.
Mahirap mag-ano niya. Pag-ano niya mag-ano.
Bahala na. Magulat na lang. Ay sabi ko, mag-enjoy na lang kita di sa barangay ta. Hindi kita mag-enjoy dito.
Hindi na lang kita mabawi.
Hindi din kita mag-sarayo doon sin bahala na. Ay, exchange gift 250, piraan pautos.
Bali 300 ha.
250, pira sa potos.
Pera sa putos.
Oo.
Di may pagkasabay ang putos.
Dili.
Di ba paano yung sabayan?
Oo, ay ako di good ako nag-isabay. Kaya mabulot na ba dito saan pag na ako maturog ka. Hindi ko makatulad ako kayo. Nagturog naman ako. Kaya pag paabot ko sa nangatulog talaga ako. Nagturog na ako. Kaya bagay pag nakabata ako, turog na ako. Kaya pag abot ko sa tunurog na ako, nakamata ng ako. Sa dili ko. Tapos nagsurukan na naman ako.
Surukan?
Yan, pala ako magsukan. Kaya nga, bago ng mata ko, nag-video baga ako. Parang naka-video na, kaya di ako nakatulad akong tinawa.
Nag-surrend na nga rin sa mga tinawa niya.
Parang wag naman kayo, tuda kong masukan, huro wag mga tasig kasuka. Kuna naman doon kayo, tuda kong, huro wag naka-video na, di, kasama mo yun, huro bago ng mata ko. Kaya kung sa aga naman, nalimat naman ako. Insin ko na, masa Sheryl Ohm.
Diin man.
Didi ho sa Sheryl, dadi mo.
Sheryl Marmola.
Kasi tinawa jadi. Impigil mo yung tinawa. Seryoso lang sabi ko, pero nakapas nga ako nugang ako. Serious. Nakapira ako sa dina-record.
Ako gani, ako ang mabungad kaya ako nag-edit. Pambungad ko sa araw ni Chris, nakalog ako. Ay ko dito, sasabihin ko, may handa akong kami sa imo na lechon. Kaso, nadako pa lang, alanganin. Padako umpa.
Pila na andaraon ta. Anto, overnight kita.
Overnight ako.
Punta si Dag. Ako, madara na ako sinbado ta, kahit di na ako ngayon nilong saga.
Kabasa bagasama, mauli pa ako hindi.
Ayaw na mapabasa ngay ang
Provision saga. Kakalian.
Oo, maupo daw ako.
Si Pris bagana no. Si Pris baglagan ni Dana no.
Ayun, makato ako. Na oras, hapon na.
Hapon.
Makatinda ako. Sa Galician. Pala kaya dito sa Galician.
Parang ano?
Bati. Wala. Dapat may pa-snack man lang.
May yan.
Kaya mga natin may pa-snack. Hindi lang.
Yung mga giveaways minsan.
Maunga nalimot nga na ako.
Sa'yo pa pala ng barangay, wala man token na stick. And like, ano ba yun? Wala token na stick.
Mayon! Huy, may token speak.
Speaker si Pres sa Bilang wala man ko.
Alam, ay, magkatag ka mo token.
Nagkatag kami sa ibang mga barangay.
Oo. Basta intero na basta intero na invitar niyo.
May token.
Pag tahat ali niya, may token.
May token.
Okay, may na kayo. Okay, memorable mo ba yan? Ako ang nakaamot man ako token. Pag invitar ang kabag na makaway, magayon maghatag. Ang patag nag-speaker man ako doon token. Saan? Basta may sa iyo, mahatag ka mo token. Nakatuna ako, basta insil ko ba? Walang naisip. Nag-live ka? Good
Naka-live ako.
night. Ada si Tem.
Kung naghali, umbot ka nang gano'n. Badi na bakal sing kapi sa...
Ay, mo ako nila.
Oo, naimod ka nila.
Ano din si Buda sa kuya.
Kaya nga ni Ingon, mamaritis na. Sabi, I don't think she will get the joke because she doesn't speak English well. What mom? The mom? No, she's my sister. Ben's sister, yeah. Hello, sister. Really? My gosh. Jerry, you're missing the conversation. Are you talking about me? No. You should learn it. It's not very difficult. Yeah, Willy. Manis niya. Hi, Zay21. My Filipina ex taught me. Do you have an ex Filipina? Jackson looks hard. Not hard, no. No, not hard. Not difficult. English was difficult for me, yes. Are you Filipino? No, I'm not. I'm not. No, I'm Latino. It can be difficult due to significant grammatical differences such as the verb system and suffix system. Oh my god. Bye, sister. Paulo Andre Batista Santos. Hola, Bomdia. Linda. Practice makes perfect. Yeah. Yeah, it was toxic. Crazy Philippine. I need to end the live now. I feel sleepy. Tired all day work. So thank you for joining. Bye. Thank you so much for joining the live. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you. See you next live. Bye. Cheryl and I will be married next year. Oh, Jerry. The only thing I miss the sisig. The sisig. You know the sisig? Wow. The hot spicy sisig. Invite to the wedding and oh my god, no, I'm not married. I'm not getting married. No, I'm not getting married. I changed my mind for getting married. Why no? Joris is joking. Oh my god, he's the good friend for me here. Friend here. Funny friend. Don't take us serious. Yeah. He's playing. You're always playing. Why you not getting married? Because because but would you ever get married? Yeah. Well, the feeling of being connected to someone must be strong. Must be strong. Tomorrow, I'm going to my friends. We're going to the beach. Just banding, jamming, because I need to relax to the beach tomorrow. So maybe I'm not alive tomorrow because I'm with my friends. What happened to him? He disappeared from the comments. Who? Thank you for 17 likes. Thank you so much. What happened, Cheryl? Why? Why you say that? I don't know what's happening. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. And I thought I would be right with you. I just couldn't get with a user who just speak in English. With a user who just speak in English. Speak in English. User. User. Ooh, Jerry. Roy Flores. Uy, magayo na banggi. Hi, Roy Flores. Salamat. Thank you for the likes. I sorry. Roy Flores. So, sleeping. He vanished into the air. He vanished into the air. Thank you, bye. I need to go to sleep now. I need to rest because I felt tired working all day. So, bye for now. Thank you so much, Jackson. Thank you, so Roy. Thank you for joining here. Never been late. Thank you so much. God bless. Sometimes I need to change. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Good night.